स्टार्ट नहीं
हो रहा है।
करी बाल कैसे हो गए?
ओके हाँ so you must have seen a lot of police accounts on Twitter these days, especially for the major cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Jaipur, Bangalore. This seems these days too. You must have seen Masatalo memes. So the accounts of the police departments are actually quite helpful for them because they help with public engagement. They help in directly interacting with the citizens. They help in spreading awareness. They help in delivering news about the department themselves, praising specific officers so they feel a boost in their morale, and so on. So, what this project we did focuses on is how the public perceives these different Twitter accounts and how well these Twitter accounts are able to engage with the public. So, what we did was we collected Twitter data for the months of February and March, where two major events happened, which were the Delhi riots in Delhi and the coronavirus lockdown, and we compare the performance of the Delhi police and the Mumbai police Twitter accounts. So, Rigmi?
So we collected data from Twitter from February 1st till March end, and then we collected data mentioning Delhi police, and we used Mumbai police as a baseline to compare the data of Delhi police, and uh, whatever data anomalies we found and trends we found was in fact in line with current events and happenings which had happened.
Hi, for our data analysis, we used the paper named as Public Perception of Police on Social Media, and in this paper, we basically categorized our tweets into five categories. First is positive sentiment, second is negative sentiment, third is neutral sentiment, fourth is not available, I mean not applicable, and the fifth is it's combined of two categories, complaint and query. So basically, we extracted features from our tweets like the age of the tweet and the location where if there's a possible location in the tweet and metadata like user information like number of favorites, number of followers count, number of follow count, and these kind of feature we extracted from a tweet and then we trained a model on it. And for our model, we use basically machine learning algorithms, mainly uh, neural networks, logistic regression, etc. And then finally, we selected neural networks as our main model.
Okay, so after we ran our model, we got the following results. Around 8% of our tweets were classified as a positive sentiment from users, 13.5% were negative, 8.8 were neutral, 22 were not applicable, and a majority share was 48% for complaint slash query. This seems to be more or less consistent across what we would imagine. The negative sentiment is almost twice of that as positive, and upon manually understanding these feeds, we could broadly divide them into two events, two specific events where the negative comments came up. The first one were the Delhi riots, and the second one was a video that went viral of how the Delhi police behaved harshly against citizens who were roaming outside during the lockdown. Raghav.
So in addition to understanding the sentiment, we also decided to make an interface which could help the Delhi police. So basically, we wanted to help them understand what the people had the feedback for them and what is the understanding. So basically, we decided to make an interface where we classify the tweets into four categories. So that is complaints, queries, comments, and trending. So we picked up some of the so basically we picked up these classes from the sentiment analysis what we had done, and the complaints and queries. So we use some keyword based analysis to categorize these tweets. So you can observe that in complaints we usually have words like action, punish, complaint, and in queries sometimes we use these words like assist, help, and how. So these words are usually, so we use these techniques and we classified the tweets of the Delhi police. Similarly, we also wanted to show them what are the trending tweets. So let's say some topic is popular, like something's happening in Kalkaji. So basically, we did again a keyword-based analysis, and we showed them the tweets which are trending, like people are talking about right now. So we think that such an interface will be helpful for Delhi police to make their decisions easily on a daily basis. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. This is the interface. As you can see here, these are the queries in blue. Complaints are in red. Comments are shown in green. And the trending ones, which are the hot topics, these are shown in yellow. This is the interface which Delhi police can use.